Planning your next wire pull, use our reel calculator to determine the proper size reels. To navigate to our calculators, hover over Products, then click Tools and Resources. Once on the Tools and Resources page, you'll see our available calculators. Select the Reel calculator. The Reel calculator was developed to help you work more efficiently by pre-planning your pulls. To start, select your conductor material. Then, select the wire type. We offer calculations for THWN-2, XHHW-2, USE-2, 600-volt photovoltaic, and 2000-volt photovoltaic. Once you've selected your wire type, you'll select your cable size. After selecting, the cable diameter will automatically calculate. Then you'll select a number of cables. You can choose a single conductor or untwisted paralleled conductor reel. Enter your footage per leg, and then push Calculate. Scroll down to view reel options, which include reel dimensions, clearance, and weight. Based on your construction, your reel options may also be available on our self-spinning reel payoff. Looking for more resources? Check out our Tools and Resources page for more calculators, product sheets, guide specifications, and reference tools.